One big reason as to why you're probably struggling right now with online sales and marketing is because you're not delivering on your company's USP. Do you have one, or do you know what a USP is? Well, a USP, or a unique selling proposition, is the one differentiating factor that separates you from your competition. Not having one is a surefire way of incorrectly implementing a digital marketing infrastructure. You see, when it comes to marketing, strategies are only part of the puzzle, and foundations, now they really matter. Defining your USP ensures clarity and injects intention into your marketing efforts, giving prospects a reason to choose you over others in your niche. Welcome to Domin8 Digital. My name is Pedro, and over the past 2.5 years, I have been obsessed with helping businesses scale online by leveraging social media and different online marketing tools. But I firsthand have lived through the bad and ugly experiences and have made so many mistakes along the way, finding myself too focused and too caught up with the strategy and not focused or even interested in the foundations that really matter to drive your strategy forward. So how do you find a USP? Well, you have to follow a series of questions to start to identify what it is that you truly offer. To make your life even easier, I've included a cheat sheet that you can download right now completely for free by clicking that top link in the description. If you pause the video and go download it, this digital asset will help you in identifying your USP, and as I said, it will make your life so much easier. I'm going to be following along on a pre-filled example that I've included in that cheat sheet to make your life even easier, because that way you can refer to it in the future and really get to grips with the concept of a USP. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to be able to identify is what you sell. So that's easy, right? Okay, in this example, we're going to say that we are a hair salon that are offering haircuts to people. So that is what we're selling. That's the service that we're offering to our consumers. But that's not enough. The next stage is digging a little deeper, because we don't just sell a product or service, we sell a sales experience. So what sales experience is your end user getting from whatever product or service you're offering them? With the example of the salon, we can say that we're providing confidence to that end user, and that's the experience that they're going to have with us. So we need to sell that as a vision. When they walk out that door, they're going to start receiving compliments, they're going to feel much happier in their skin, and overall they're going to be more confident with the way that they look. So that is what we're selling. We're not selling a haircut, we're selling confidence. But that's still not enough, okay? We're not just selling confidence. We have to dig even deeper. What is that confidence actually translating to? Well, the whole process of a haircut is translating in a transformative experience that's really going to change this person's life for the better. And that sounds really dramatic, but we have to dig deeper. We have to think about the emotions that these people are then feeling as a result of the product or service that we are offering them. So in this example, I've written that it's a transformative experience, and it helps the end user to find their identity, which allows them to establish who they are, and it makes them feel comfortable in their appearance. Okay, so we've gone even deeper by identifying how it affects that prospect's day-to-day life. Next, you have to establish what you're doing differently from the competition. What separates you from everyone else around you that's pretty much offering the same thing? Now, it's really important here that you don't get too caught up with the technical side of things. Just start listing off what your strengths are, what your business's strengths are, what your individual strengths are, and how you could leverage those as part of your USP. Next, we have to establish some sort of guarantee that we could attribute to this offer. So again, with the example of the stylist, the hair salon owner could say that they're incredibly quick at cutting hair, and as a result, guarantee a quality cut in under an hour. So we're starting to establish how we're different and how we can guarantee that that experience will translate into ultimately what we want that client to feel, which is confidence, as we said in this example. So now that we've considered this series of questions, we can start to craft our USP and get an understanding of what it is that separates us from everyone else. So for example, with the salon, they could be delivering confidence or tranquility through quality haircuts in under an hour. You see how we've gotten really specific there, and we've defined an offering that's becoming more irresistible, and we can start to tailor our marketing message based on what our unique selling proposition actually is. If you've been following the video along with the cheat sheet, you may have noticed that there are other resources there for you to utilize. So if you haven't done so already, I suggest you click that first link in the description to claim the cheat sheet for finding you a USP. But not only that, a cheat sheet also for finding your ideal client, along with a 30-day content calendar. On top of that, I've also added a 5 case study report to help you avoid the most commonly made mistakes made when marketing your business online. And also make sure you watch the video on how to save money when selecting a marketing agency too. We're always adding new resources to this bundle, so make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest digital marketing guidance, and so that you don't miss an update of this bundle that you can get right now for free by clicking that top link in the description. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you drew some value from it and you now understand the components needed to craft your very own USP. If you're still struggling a little bit or you're getting caught up in the trivial, then I suggest you click the second link in the description where you can book your free 30-minute strategy call and actually craft a USP one-to-one live on a call. Thank you very much for your time today, very much appreciated, and I will see you again very soon.